Hey guys, how are we doing today? Today I'm going to be showing you a quick guide how to install this new add-on called Placenta. And some people are talking about this, saying that it's going to be the replacement for Exodus and Covenant. So let's get on with the show. So first thing you want to do, this is again usual standard setup here with Kodi 17.6, all fresh. We're just going to run the process here. Oh, sorry, I'll start again. You're going to just click the wheel here. Then we're going to go to File Manager. Once we're in File Manager, we're going to add the source. And you just click this bit just here and type in the following: http // repo.mrblamo.xyz. Okie dokie, once you get that added, next you're going to name the source. So we'll just put Blamo repo. There we go. Right, so that's the first step done. Oh, well, add it anyway, just to make sure. Let me just check that, guys. Just make sure I didn't do a spelling mistake. Yep, I thought I did. Sorry about that. Does happen sometimes. An extra T. We don't want that, do we? Okay, perfect. Right, so that is the official link, guys. Just not to confuse you. There we go. Right, just make sure that's all good. Click that. Right, so now we've added it. I just do, yep, lovely, it's there. Right, so now we've added the file source to the file manager. Next, we're going to install the zip file. So back to this screen, we've backed up, and we're going to click add-ons, and you're going to click this tab here. Give that a little click, and we're going to install from the zip file now. So as we've just recently added it, we're going to install it from here. Give that a click, and we're just going to wait for a notification after clicking this. Should just take a few moments. There we go. Blamo repo add-on installed. So next step, we're going to install from the repository. As you can see here, we're now going to give that a click, and we're going to go to video add-ons. And what you're looking for is this one here, Placenta. If you want to have another look at this at any point, there's other add-ons obviously, but today we're talking about Placenta, so let's get that installed for you. Okay, downloaded. Yeah, you're seeing all these coming up because it is quite fresh. This it needs a few updates, with it being a fresh version of Kodi 17.6. But that's it. It's done its updates. Placenta is now installed. So we're back up, all the way out, and then as you can see in the video add-ons, it's just these two. So okay, let's have a look at it. So there we go. This is the Placenta app. It's got movies, TV shows. New movies, new episodes, all sorts of stuff, channels and music. Do have a good look at this. Let's just have a little peep. So this is the latest TV stuff that's on. I'll just click something random. Oh, it's a nice touch there with the 4K 1080p 720. So you get the extra formats there to enjoy the content. Now I'm not sure if this comes up with sources automatically for you to pick, or if it just plays automatically. We'll soon see. So it's having a good rummage there. Oh, no stream available. Alright, interesting. I don't know. Maybe just go back. Maybe it's too new. I don't know. Just try something else random. So it looks like, guys, you're going to have a play around with this and see what you can find. See how it goes for you. Obviously, have a change with some of the settings, get it to how you like it, more to the point. But people say good things about this at the moment. And I thought it would be worth a review, just to show you how it works. And if it is worthy of checking out. There we go, lovely. Alright then guys, so this is Placenta, the new add-on. I'm sure it's been out for a few weeks now, but again, I just wanted to show it you and let you see what you think about it. Oh, as it says there, a Covenant fork from Echo Colossus era with Team Afterbirth's updates and new code. So again, guys, check it out, see what you think. It seems to be doing the rounds, and people are talking a lot about it. Alright, everyone, enjoy your week, and I'll see you all very soon. Ta-ra!